Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. In my last video, I showed you how I made my mashed crabble and condensed milk, and a lot of you said you like when I share my authentic dishes. So I'm just resharing some of my past recipes with you, just in case you missed them. The reason I'm doing that is because now it's summer, it's so hot outside, and these Belizean treats are just so refreshing this time of the year. Let me know in the comments if you grew up doing any of this, and if you have your own twist on it, just let me know. Enjoy the videos. The first one is Fanta and milk. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is some ice because you want this nice and cold. And I'm going to use some strawberry Fanta. If I was making this back home in Belize, I would be using the red Fanta in the glass bottle, but I can't get that here, so I'm using this one. I'm only filling the glass like 3/4 of the way up. Now I'm going to add the star of the show, my pet milk, my evaporated milk, and I'm just going to put some in the glass to fill it to the top. Mix that really good together, and then that's it. And if you taste this, it tastes like if you're drinking strawberry milk. That's the best way I could describe it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Remember in my last video I said I was going to show you recipes using evaporated milk? Well, this is something we used to do back home in Belize, and I asked my hubby about this one too, and he said he have never heard of it. Let me know in the comments below if you do this. Okay, for the other one, I'm putting in some ice in my glass again, and this time I'm using some orange Fanta. If it was back home in Belize, I would definitely be using the orange Fanta in a glass bottle, and they have that one here, but it just doesn't taste the same. The ones in the bottle here doesn't taste like the ones in Belize. Doing the same thing, adding my milk again, and give it a stir and taste it, and oh my goodness, this one tastes like a nice orange cream soda. That's the only way I know how to describe this one. Up next is another one of our Belizean favorite, and that is fruit cocktail and evaporated milk. Okay, so for this you're going to need 1 can of fruit cocktail, and I'm just going to put this in a container that I can put in the fridge. As promised, I'm going to share my last video using evaporated milk. I already made 2 videos, 2 of our Belizean favorites with evaporated milk. If you're interested in those, I'm going to leave them linked below for you. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some of the evaporated milk in the fruit cocktail, and I'm using about half the can in this amount. But there is no right or wrong way to do this. You can't really mess it up, so you can put as much or as little as you want. Just give that a mix and then cover it and put it in the refrigerator to chill. I like to put mine in the refrigerator overnight and let it chill. Something about that overnight chill just makes it so much better the next day. But if you're in a hurry and you want your fruit cocktail, then you can just put some ice in it. It will still be good. Okay, so this is it the next day, and I'm just going to put some in my glass and enjoy. This is another one that my hubby said he didn't know anything about. Remember the last 2 videos I made, he said he never had evaporated milk in that way, and with this one, neither, so this is all new to him. This is especially good on those really hot days. And oh my goodness, it is hot here in Texas. No joke. The other day it said it felt like 103 degrees Fahrenheit outside. You know how hot that is? I was about to melt. Oh my gosh. If you've had this before, let me know in the comments below. Or if you haven't had it, how do you make your fruit cocktail? I'm curious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. I just wanted to give it a quick little taste to make sure it's all good. This is so refreshing. Oh my goodness. Okay, the very last one is Jell-O and milk. The first thing you're going to need is a box of Jell-O, and you can use any flavor you like. I'm just making this according to the package instructions. So for the one package of Jell-O, I'm adding 1 cup of boiling water, and I'm going to stir that until it's dissolved. I don't know if you guys are like this, but for me, when the weather changes, the food I eat changes. Like right now, it's getting hot in Texas. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees. And you know, when it's hot like this, I want something to cool me off. And then I remember we used to always make this back home in Belize. And you know, Belize is really hot, right? So we used to always make this, and it was just so refreshing. And I forgot about it. I haven't made this in a while. But then when I wanted to make it and I asked my hubby about it, he said he didn't know about this, and he grew up in Oklahoma. Yeah, he grew up here in the States, so he doesn't know about this. After it dissolves, I'm adding 1 cup of cold water, and I'm going to stir that some more, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge to set. And this will take about 4 hours to set. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. Okay, now that the Jell-O is set, I'm going to put it in a dish and I'm going to serve it up. And I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay, now I'm just going in there and I'm going to break it up a little bit. At first, I wasn't sure if I wanted to post this as a recipe, but then when I wanted to make it and I asked my hubby if he knew about it, he said no. So I think maybe it's just a Belizean thing, but I don't know. If you do this, leave me a comment below and let me know. Okay, the second ingredient I'm adding is evaporated milk. Yes, evaporated milk. And you just put as much as you want in there. There is no right or wrong way to do this. It's how you like it. And that's it. It's so easy and so refreshing on a hot day. Well, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Those are some of our Belizean treats that are so easy to make. So simple, just 2 ingredients. Let me know, have you made any of them before? Or let me know what's your favorite dessert too that's just 2 ingredients. I would love to know. I would love to get some ideas and try some of your favorites. So leave them below for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.